Okay, Mark, found the problem there, buddy. See that chip right there, that NE571N? It died. It failed. So, got you a new one in there. And let's see, SP-1a is, let's turn it off right now. I got a 50-watt slug on that side. And what have I got? A 25 on that side there. What mode are we in? We're in lower side band on channel 38. Hello audio, audio 1, 2, audio. Doing about 20 peak. Audio. About 5 or 6. No, let's see, that's about 6 or 7 watts RMS. Okay, now I'm on the SRA 198. Alright, remember this is a noise canceling microphone, a real noise canceling microphone, so you have to talk into it very loud. Audio. Okay, so just remember that, and let's flip the SP-1a on. Hello audio, audio, hello, hello audio, audio 1, 2, audio. Alright, SP-1a on, SP-1a off now. Audio, audio, audio. Got to really get up close to this microphone. Audio, 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 audio. As you can tell, that's with the SP-1a turned on. Let's see what it sounds like over here now. And that guy there, 38. Hello, hello. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio testing, testing audio, audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. That's with the SP-1a on. Here's with the SP-1a off. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio hello, hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Turn it back on again. Audio hello, hello audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio test. Okay, so here it is on the meter. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, audio. Audio. Alright. Now then, I'm going to leave it turned off. Audio, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Alright. You know this little radio doesn't do much power anyway. As a matter of fact, the alignment says to set it for 11 watts peak envelope power. So for us to get that much peak envelope power out of it, it is really, really talking. Okay, I'm going to put this guy back in the case, mount him back, and get her boxed up and sent back to you. Mark, I'm sorry you had the problem. I've never had one fail before, but that's what the problem was. And your adapter cable and your SRA 198 both work very well. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio, hello. Hello, audio, audio 1, 2. Okay. 7-3.